It's an unboxing video. These are like shoes that we haven't opened yet since November this year. So we got 3 new shoes to unbox for you guys. Wait, this is already open.
Yeah. Unboxing.
She already pre-unboxed it. 2 of these are mine and this one is hers. So I think we're gonna start with yours. Okay. So
It's already open.
it's already open. There's a yellow box. There's an orange box inside, which means this is an Adidas shoes. I'm kidding. It's a Nike shoes.
Get it.
Why can't I get it? Okay.
Yes.
It's the Nike shoes. This is what it is. What is this shoe, Shayna me?
Purple Street of White.
What? Is this the last collab of Virgil Abloh with Nike?
No.
It's not? Sigurado ka? Okay, so it's not.
Magdadrop pa. Siguro po sa Saturday.
Okay, but anyway, it's another collab. Alright, so this is how it looks inside. Yung mismong paper niya na pang cover ng shoe is actually has the branding of Off-White with it. So I don't know if this has value because everything that is branded Off-White are so expensive, man. Okay, so ito siya. Ayan siya. So we're gonna do it like this na lang siguro. Let's unwrap it and we can already see some features of this shoe. Okay, so the colorway is
Polarized blue.
Polarized blue. So
What's
this is
that
how
blue?
it looks like. Yeah, I hope it's focusing well
Yeah.
on the camera. So that's how it looks like. It has the usual tag that comes along with it, but the difference between the other shoes that were released by Off-White in collaboration with Nike is yung tag nila is like a bit, ano ba to?
Suede?
Alam mo yung, oh yeah, suede, or yung tipong, kung alam yung felt paper na nabibili sa office supply, so gano'n ang texture niya. A bit rough. And then, yeah, so this is how it looks like. Why did you buy a shoe that looks like sako ng bigas?
I don't know because I'm color of
Sorry guys, but it looks like that. Oh, parang sako ng bigas. Same texture too. It has spikes on it. So at first I thought it was a soccer shoe, but it's not. Are you not worried that, you know, mapupudpud agad tong sapatos because of the
May
spikes?
nagsabi sa akin na para lang nabe-break in. Tapos mawawala din tong mga
So talagang dapat talaga mawala to. It's just for
Tapos
breaking
parang
purposes.
mafe-feel mo na yung react, yung sole niya.
Okay.
Yung mismo comfy. Pero yung unang suot niya with spikes, parang
Di pa gaano feel. Interesting back part of the shoe. Sobrang talim niya. Pwede mo siguro siyang pang self-defense pag hino-hold up ka sa daan. Oh, it looks like a ship! See? It does really look like a ship. Oh, di ba? Mukha siyang ship. Just kidding. Okay. Kasi kanina nung binuksan ko, nakita yung address namin, so I'm just gonna do it like this. Alright, so it has a very interesting box, and we got it from the website of Nike itself, and even the bigger box has a Nike logo. Oh my goodness. Very interesting. Okay, so the usual Nike shoe has a yellow box that comes with it, right? Yellow box, orange box, just like this one. But this one has a different color.
oh.
See? Very interesting. The Nike logo and the Just Do It on. It's really legit then.
Just do it.
Okay.
Okay, just do it.
Alright. That's it. This is my baby. This is my baby. So, it's... Ano kulay ito? Beige? Beige? Yeah, the background is beige and the font is blue. Alright. Oh, it doesn't want to get out.
Oh.
It's stuck, man.
Oh.
Okay, that's it. Alright.
Oh.
Oh, sorry, TV. Oh my gosh! This looks amazing, man. Okay, so it's a Travis Scott Cactus Jack. Okay. See how customized the box is, how well it was designed. Some doodles. And then, Wow, it's a very premium looking box. Okay, that's how it looks like. Tapos, yeah, it's a 10.5 shoe. Air Force One Low Cactus Jack. Okay. I'm just gonna open it for you guys. Ooh, feels heavy though. All right, but Air Force One shoes aren't really heavy shoes,
Yeah.
right? So even the paper that comes with it, that covers the shoe, says Cacti. I don't know how to read that one. Records. I think this is like the label of Travis Scott, right? Okay, so let's do it. 3, 2, 2. 2. Oh my gosh, I can feel it, man. 3, 2, 1. Oh, my babies, my new baby, man. Well, they're beautiful. Okay, fine. I think I'm gonna be loving Air Force Ones just because of these designs. Okay, let me show them to you. You ready? Sorry guys. Sorry about that. Our camera guy is drunk. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Different materials were used in this shoe. I'm not gonna pretend that I know what kind of materials these are, but sobrang dami. There's so much going on in this shoe. Okay? Tapos may takip pa, may zipper pa yung mismong tali niya. Oh, yan. Pag nilalamig sa sapatos mo, sarado mo. Yan. That's how it looks like. Oh my gosh. Alright, so that... I think you can remove this one. Because it's stitched using the shoestring. So, kailangan mo tanggalin muna yung shoestrings bago mo matanggal ito. Okay? It's actually up to you guys. Okay? Kung paano mo ipoporma. I think I'll use this. Nawala ito. I'm gonna remove the flap. Okay, I think they look better. Okay, that's can also be a good idea. Different texture, different color inside. But yeah, it's the first time that I have seen a shoe that is built like this. Okay, tapos meron pa siyang button dito. I don't know. Okay, yeah. I can actually detach it. Hindi detach the other side, pero yung isa naka-stitch. So, that's how it looks like. And very interesting yung stitch niya dito. It's mint green. Okay?
May isang YouTuber na yung isa may stitching. Tapos yung sa kanya, yung isa niya dito, wala.
Buti lang sa amin meron, no? Hindi na pahiyak sa video. It comes with 2 pairs of extra laces. Okay? Alright. My juice is almost done on the camera. Wait, I have to charge first. We're gonna open this very quickly. So, di ba? May nalaman ko yung mga sarili kong salita. Not just one Air Force One, but 2 Air Force Ones are gonna be unwrapped today. I mean tonight. Okay. Whatever time zone you're in right now. Okay. Alright. The second box is another Air Force One. Guess what it is? Oh, you already know it's from the description box, so I'm just gonna... Why? At least you need to guess it. Yung iba hindi nagbabasa ng description, you know, people on YouTube. Oh, sorry guys, that's you. So it's also a legit. Of course, we don't buy fakes. I promise you, we don't buy fakes. I promise you. My gosh, my grammar is so mali. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, this comes in a different box as well. Yeah, another heat. Another Nike logo, and then just do it one, and then you're just gonna get it. Oh my gosh! It is also a customized box. It looks very different. Guess what it is? Yes, baby. It's Paranoid, baby. Designed by G-Dragon in collaboration with Nike. I mean, Nike in collaboration with G-Dragon. Okay, so this how the box looks like in this side. Let's look at the other side. Another artwork, boom, and then simpleng beautiful, shiny logo Nike in black. Alright, let's just open it. Alright. Ooh! Man, Nike's written in Korean because G-Dragon, one of the most popular K-pop artists in the world. Okay? From Big Bang, by the way. So, pagkalabas siya sa kanyang mandatory military training, I think, doon niya ginawa yung shoe collaboration na to. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Another one. Okay. I'm just gonna take this one. Oh my gosh. No, it looks premium, man. It looks awesome. Alright, so I think this is a daisy. Oh my gosh. What is this? It comes with this tag. It looks very personalized, I think, with the name of G-Dragon and then the title of this artwork. Just do it, Nike 1988, piece -1. Alright, that's how it looks like. It has some, parang ano niya, medyo grunge ang dating niya. A bit dirty looking kind of shoe. Okay, so hindi gamit to guys ha. It really is, it does really look like this. Okay, and man, the flower here is really quality patched in, alright? So parang tinahi talaga to. Okay. It looks very nice. And you would really see like some creases, some cracks on it. It's because there is actually an artwork inside the shoe. Okay, I mean, pag pinili mo tong kulay black na to, may makikita kang artwork sa loob. That's why, huwag kang mag-alala kung may back yung shoe mo. Yan, ito yung makikita mong artwork to. So, we need the shoe. Very interesting. Okay. Yeah, look, what is this, man? What is this? I don't know what these are, but siguro dito, sa mga holes na to, you can customize them. Merong flower, merong peace sign na kulay. Is this peace sign? But it looks like this.
Siguro yung babaliktad mo yung lace na dito.
Okay. Oh yeah. If you could see some marketing materials, yung lace niya, yung pagkataling na sa baba. Okay, stylized that way. Alright, this is the other one. The aglet is red. Okay, kita niyo ba? But anyway, so what ito? Mukhang madumi na sa baba pero it's brand new. So these are the shoes that we were able to buy from our hard-earned money. We're not here to brag. Yeah, an SRP, okay? We just... so as expected, my phone ran out of juice. That's why I need to shoot a different extra. Thank you so much for watching. More unboxing videos coming up. More fashion hauls, probably particularly with things related to our traveling whenever we travel. Yeah, please subscribe to my channel and enjoy more content.